all you farming friends. Welcome to our farm. And what a beautiful day it is here. These piglets were born 11 days ago on August 25. As you can see, they are looking fantastic. Their bodies are well rounded from all the milk they're receiving from Mama Pig. After 5 days, we start giving the piglets pure feeds while they're still drinking milk from Mama Pig. We give the pure feeds to the piglets in small doses, because if you give the piglets too much pure feeds from the beginning, they're bound to get diarrhea. And when the piglets are this small, they can die from diarrhea very easily. This is a brand of feed we started our piglets off on. These piglets are no longer relying on their mother for milk. They are now eating unlimited pure feeds. We grow azolla and duckweed as an alternative feed for our chickens, ducks, which helps us cut back on buying feeds and saves us a bit of money. These 3 piglets were born August 26th. This first-time mother only had 3 piglets, which is a bit of a shock to us because normally our first-time mothers have always given birth to 5 or 7 piglets. Not true, but at least they were born very healthy. These 2 gilts have been given artificial insemination, and in about 2 weeks' time we should know if the artificial insemination was successful or not. And that will give us 5 breeding sows. Here in our province, there's a lot of people wanting to buy piglets. The reason being, we had ASF here in our province, and a lot of people sold their pigs, and now they want to start pig farming once again. The selling price of our piglets range from 5,500 pesos to 6,000 pesos. And live weight prices are around about 230 pesos per kilo, which is very good. We now have around about 60 ducks, and during the month of December, most of these ducks will be sold. We will only keep our breeding ducks.